Whether you do it alone, with a friend, or as a family, hiking is an easy, healthy, and free outdoor activity that everyone can enjoy. Telluride has a variety of hikes that are accessible right from town and that are suitable for all fitness levels. You can pick up a hiking map at most outdoor retailers in town and in the mountain village. Maps have a description of every hike, including the difficulty level, the elevation gain, the total distance, and more. If you are planning on getting adventurous this summer, getting a search and rescue card is a good idea. You can get more information and purchase a card in some of the outdoor retail stores in town and in the mountain village. It's wise to check the weather forecast before setting off on a hike in the Telluride area. Weather patterns in the mountains can be very unpredictable, so bring layers of clothing and be ready for heavy rain, thunderstorms, and even snowfall. Wear appropriate shoes or boots for hiking. Flip-flops are not going to cut it. Useful things to bring include a fully charged cell phone, a first aid kit, a snack, plenty of water, a source of light, and maybe a pocket knife. Finally, always let someone know you are going on a hike and where. Oh, and wearing sunscreen is always a good idea, even on a cloudy day. When hiking, always stay on the trails to preserve the beautiful wilderness around you and avoid getting lost. You are hiking in bear country, so if you come across a bear, keep calm and follow these few tips. If you are visiting Telluride and are not used to the high altitude, keep in mind that your body may need a few days to adjust to the reduced levels of oxygen. So start with a smaller hike, drink plenty of water, and let your body acclimate to the environment before taking on bigger expeditions. In case of lightning, a safe approach is to stay away from larger trees, cliffs, and metal. For more information on hiking, as well as all other outdoor activities Telluride has to offer, visit the Telluride Visitor Center located at the entrance of town, just after the roundabout on your right. Have fun, stay safe, and tread lightly.